Hi there everyone. A bit of a different kind of video today, but today I wanted to make an educational video to explain how to give a proper faeces sample. Yeah, so when you get to my age, like I'm 40 now, so I have an annual checkup with my doctor, and one of the things that I have to do is fill a faeces sample inside a small plastic container like this. You can see it's not that big, okay? It's quite a small container. But what you have to do is you have to get your faeces, or in other words, your poop, into the container. So I'm going to run over with you the things I did to safely and cleanly and effectively get my poop, ta-da, in the container. Okay, well, I mean, obviously, first things first, you need to want to poop, right? First. So when you feel like you're ready to poop, I'll run you through what I did, and then you can try and do the same thing. Okay, first things first. Wow, look at my lovely clean toilet. Looks pretty good. First things first, I peed, okay? I urinated. I got all of my wee out into the toilet and then closed the lid and flushed the toilet, okay? Because, let me tell you why, hold on a sec. Because look, you can't help it, right? It's a natural thing. Whenever you go to the toilet and you want to poop, your pee comes out first. So you have to eliminate the pee before you're ready to give your faeces sample. Now, once I'd peed, I stripped off, so I'm completely naked. I'm getting ready to go shower, and lots of thoughts went through my head about how I could get the faeces into this small plastic container. I sat on the toilet bowl and I held this container kind of, I tried to angle it, where my butthole is, and thought, can I poop and it will land perfectly in the container? After a very quick think about that, the answer was no, that would probably get really messy and it might miss a bit. A bit might go in, a bit might miss, it might go all down the outside and of the sides of the container and it would get really ugly, right? So I quickly scrubbed that one off. And the next idea was to lay a load of toilet paper on the surface of the water in the toilet bowl, poop on it, and then grab some. That was not going to work either, so that's off. So what I did, I decided that the very best and most effective thing to do would be to poop on the floor. Now that might sound pretty terrible, but this is what I did. I got some toilet paper, I wiped my floor. I'm in Malaysia, so toilets are a little different in Malaysia. Where I'm from in England, everything is dry. We even had carpet on the floor in our bathroom in England, but we have tiles. And it's usually pretty wet. So I got some toilet paper and I dried one square tile of the floor, completely dried it. I then got a load more toilet paper, kind of folded it into a few layers and placed it on this dry tile. Then I squatted down and I did my business. I got a piece of faeces out, and from there I used this little instrument. Here it is. Together with the plastic container, there is a nice little, it looks like a lollipop stick. Okay, it's a little wooden stick, and this is what we use to scoop up the faeces and get it in the container. So I had one piece of poop nicely arranged on the toilet paper on the floor. I deftly scooped it up with this wooden stick, and I very carefully plopped it inside the container and then put the lid on nice and tight. After that, I put the toilet paper that was dirtied down the toilet bowl, gave it a flush, and the rest of the toilet paper, including this stick, I washed the stick first to make it as clean as I can, and the rest of the toilet paper with this stick, I'm going to fold it up, the toilet paper that was not dirtied, and I'm just going to put it in a rubbish bin. And that's it. And that is how you get a sample of your faeces into a little plastic container like that. It's very easy. And it's good, this might be all fun talking about poop and pee and everything, but this is going to be analysed tomorrow at the hospital, and it's going to tell me if I have the all clear with my gut, my stomach, my intestines. We're checking for cancer markers and all that kind of stuff, along with a blood test and a urine sample and everything. So, sorry, let's turn that around. There we go. Oh, you can still see it. There we go, now you can't see it. You can kind of see the shadow of it, but it doesn't matter. So that's what's going to happen. I wish you good luck and all the best as you collect your faeces samples, and hope that it becomes a very quick and smooth and effective experience for you. Thanks a lot, take care.